The rainy season in Zimbabwe is about to start soon and farmers are busy prepping their land. Yep, that's me. And this is our new classroom. It's hard work, guys. We told you 2 videos ago that Tony's dad gave him some land in the rural area to start farming. And so
we're back at the farm again.
We're back!
The YouTube farmers.
We've since been doing our research, understanding about soil testing, land preparation, deciding what crops to plant, and most of all, ensuring that we have access to an accessible source of water. This week, we're back at the farm with a professional who's helping us decide exactly where would be the best location for a borehole. And believe it or not, this was initiated by a subscriber. Thank you, subscriber, you know yourself.
Water is the best. Apana patinotaura farming kana tisingaite zvemvura.
This was my first time witnessing the process of water siting, and I found it very interesting. And I think you might find it interesting too. So, okay, there's water here. Guys, do you believe this? Welcome to the Megabush family channel. If this is your first time, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. We have such an awesome community out there.
So someone watched the video.
Yeah.
And then they actually visited Zim and they asked, so where are we now with the farming? And then we said, we're still at 0. Then he said, come on guys, we need to start. So he said,
look, let's start with siting.
For water?
Yeah. And he basically sent us a guy to search for water. That's amazing.
So now we'll know which size to put our bowls.
We're being pushed to start, like seriously, the man is like, start. No talking, less talking, start. And, you know, for us, it was just an issue of capital and whatnot, but the support so far to push us is amazing.
Guys, I won't lie to you, it's a tall order. Now, we got one of our neighbors, Kumbi. You saw him from the last video. He did the land preparation for us.
Yeah,
so,
we'll show you.
Yeah, we're ready to plant. So we're now looking for the inputs. That's the seed and what? And fertilizers. So
what? D4? D1? I have no clue.
Compound D. So there's some ladies in the field. They're tilling. And I want to see if I can go and join them. For starters, this is obviously not appropriate footwear.
I started by asking a few questions, and the ladies were more than willing to show me how it's done. All right. You're laughing at me. Huh? That's how it's hard work, guys. Very hard work. Do you have mvura? Those ladies made me work. Huh? Huh? That's a lot of work, man. I'll have to look for people to help. But anyway, if you want good, you know if you run. That's a Jamaican saying. Right? By the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. Okay. I realized I was getting ahead of myself and decided to head back to what we were really there for, to site for water.
Water is the best.
We're going to show you the water process. Siting process. The guy is here with us. And that's all we have for today. We wish we could tell you that we've started the planting, but we haven't.
hapana patinotaura farming kana tisingaite zvemvura. So alright, iyi method yandiri kushandisa ndeyemacopa wire. Wakaona padzinocrossa pane pachiradzwa kuti pane stream remvura. So after this tichabva taisa DMT machine. This is a resistivity machine inomeasure resistance yeground. Mvura inofarira kufamba nepane path of less resistance. So after that takuanalyze the ground profile toona kuti pane mastreams atingaite mvura yakawanda neapi. Exactly. Yeah. So first stage chatanga kuita pane zvandafarira zvandaona panapa. So ndakutotanga.
Aren't you the one swinging this?
No, I'm not swinging this. I'm not swinging. I'm not.
So it's moving by itself?
By itself. Saka ndakadarika point inenge ine stream remvura dzinofanira kutena futi back kudzokera kwandabva. Just like this. It uses sort of like conductivity. Where there is water, they attract each other.
Oh.
Yeah. You can do it also.
No, I want to try. Guys, do you believe this? Oh. Guys, I'm not even... It's actually doing this on its own. What? But I didn't... Guys, I did science. Whoa. Whoa, this is cool. It's turning all by itself. And this is like the best point where it's crossing. So cool. So when it crosses, there's water.
There is water, yes. And then when it faces the back, wadarika point embo. So stream rokodai so. So now we go to the second stage. Second stage yedu taku measure resistance at ground. So that on a ground profile takamira say.
I found this process to be quite interesting. And as you could perhaps tell, I kept asking a lot of questions. I was curious just how this little machine could tell whether or not water was present, and if so, at what depth. Amazing stuff.
This machine inozotanga kuzoanalyze the ground kana waita around 6 points, 6 and more. So I'll create the first 6 points and then tozotanga kuona kuti pane profile yakaita sei. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a walk over to where there's some water here on a neighboring farm. We hadn't noticed it last time. So there's apparently a dam over there somewhere, and they did like a connection to get water on their farm. So just gonna take a look at it. But yeah, this is like a very interesting path for us. I have zero knowledge, like we said last time. Tony, probably more exposed to this. But it's definitely a good chance to learn. I was talking to a consultant this one time, and he has a farm. He does cows, these special cows called Brahmans, and he was just telling me how it's actually been quite profitable for him, you know. So as his profession. So yeah, it's multiple streams of income. He makes money as a consultant, chooses his schedule in theater, and then when he's not in theater, he's out farming. And I found that to be very impressive. In this day and age, a lot of people are moving toward multiple streams of income, whatever profession you're from. So, you know, a lot of doctors farm. I'm not going to be the first, not going to be the last. So let's see how this goes. The good thing about our experience, I think, babe, right, is it's a good way to show people how to start from really a place where most people are. You know, when you say to a young person, oh, you know, you can get into farming, it sounds good, but with what capital, right? With what input? So we want to use this platform to go through those stages and to educate anyone willing to listen and anyone watching who's starting from a place where they don't have a lot, but they want to start. That's it for today. We told you before that this is going to be a journey, and this is just the beginning. We have no clue what the timeline is like because, like we said, capital. But look, here we are, sighting. I guess next step, we get a borehole and we take it from there, bit by bit, together. And we're happy to continue to get feedback from you guys and information and all of that. We're happy to work with anyone who's willing to help us along this journey and to showcase it so that it's kind of like a step-by-step real-life tutorial. So anyway, it's not an easy path, but we're committing ourselves to going on that path and see where it takes us. In our case, I feel like it's a good way to show step-by-step how it can be done from scratch. So thanks for watching, guys.
Next time, we'll show you what we learned from visiting our friend Adrian's farm. Adrian got into farming about 3.5 years ago and has a lot to share.
There are three major things that you have to focus on. It's your water, your agronomy practices, and your basic management, right? Those are the very important things that you need to have on your farm for it to be very sustainable. When we did potatoes, we only had one bore here. We drilled the bore. And then when we drill the bore, before you drill a bore, you have to get a permit from Zinwa, depending on the sub-catchment area that you are in. So when you get your permit, you drill a bore, and then you have to basically equip your bore. But what I did not understand or know was that my pumping capacity of the bore had to match up with my water requirements. Right, so this is the output pipe from the tanks itself.
What you then have to look at is that what is the food that is eaten by almost every Zimbabwean in the country.
Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share. And join us next week for the follow-up episode.